good is being Aussie? You don't have to bother with syllables. How you going, Australia? On ya! Our lakes are full of dinosaurs. We have a giant pineapple, strawberry cow, oyster, prawn and croc. Pretty much anything you can think of. And we have fairy bread and Vegemite worms. But seriously, look at all the stuff we have. Fresh, healthy, safe food from our productive farms, beautiful coastal cities, clean waters and fresh air, and our beautiful Great Barrier Reef. We deserve to be able to preserve the things we love, especially for our children. But to keep them, we all know we need to stop polluting our skies and oceans and heating up the planet. Luckily, we don't have to do it alone. A while ago, all the countries in the world got together and started work on a plan to clean up their act and limit global warming to below 2 degrees, including Australia. If we work with the rest of the world to shift to renewable energy, we can get to zero pollution and stay below 2 degrees, so we can avoid the worst effects of climate change and breathe easy, literally. But unfortunately, Australia isn't doing its fair share, and our government hasn't yet done enough for our country's future, and we're not on track to stay below 2 degrees. Australians deserve better. If we don't do more, our Great Barrier Reef would be destroyed. Malaria and dengue would hit as far south as Sydney, and our food basin could lose half its annual output. And you can't eat the big pineapple. There is good news though. At the end of this year, all the countries are coming back together in Paris to set new pollution reduction targets to keep the world under 2 degrees. Now is the time for all Australia's politicians to keep the promise and commit to strong pollution cuts. Then Australia will be doing our bit to keep our country awesome and tell the world to give carbon pollution the boot. So join us and other Aussies. Ask our politicians to take responsibility and do the right thing so we can ensure Australia's natural beauty will still be around for our children. Sign the petition today before Australia's new targets are set and help keep Australia great.